I'm really excited to show you guys this next wrap project. Of course, it's a Tesla. It's gonna be that color up there, right there. That's the color we're doing. Inozetek Gloss Pearlescent Pearl Crystal Blue. Wow, that's a long ass name. But this is the color, guys. It's like this really cool light blue. It's kind of almost like a mint. Well, not like a mint, because that's more like a mint. But it's a really nice light blue with obviously pearls in it. Done it on the wide. If you want to see what that looks like, I'll post a link to the vlog on the top right corner right now. But it's gonna be interesting to see it on the S, because the S has sharper body lines like back here than like the Y. Oh, and then it has chrome. So the chrome with the blue, oh, it's gonna look so classy once we're done with it. And if you're new here or you haven't seen any of our videos, you might be wondering, why do you guys have the bumpers off the car? And why do you have window trims taken off in the mirrors and the badges? By taking off these panels and these trim pieces, it makes the wrapping process a lot easier. Great part is it actually makes the overall end product, the result of it, the finish, the look of it, look very OEM. And that's what we're trying to go for. Even though it's a wrap, we don't want to look like a wrap in the sense that we want it to look like it's paint. That way it looks really clean.
Don't embarrass me.
How's it look, Russell?
Looking like it's gonna get done.
What? You know, like, we're not done yet, but like I like the top being black, kind of. It's actually kind of cool. Thoughts?
It's freaking sexy. I like it.
I don't even know if there is a crap like that.
This is our second time doing this color on Tesla, but it's the first time with the factory chrome trims. With the black trims, it had more of a modern look, but with the chrome on this S, you get nothing but classy vibes. The blue is really nice because it's soft enough to daily drive, but special enough to stand out in the cleanest way possible. And with the Inozetek, you can expect to get that paint-like clarity and reflection, so even up close, it's amazing to look at. You can just stare at it because it looks like liquid. But of course, the film only looks as good as the installation itself, so with this, we removed all the trims that you see to tuck the edges so no factory color would show through. Really happy with how this came out. That is it for the wrap video, guys. If you like that wrap and you want us to wrap your car, our contact info is in the description down below. Stay tuned. We do have more Tesla wraps coming through, like this one that we're working on here. Alright, we'll see you next time.
It looks like I know what I'm doing, but I don't.